Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Riot account region so you know whether a server move is possible. Once done, decide the route. Request support transfer, create a new Riot account set to the target region, or use a VPN when creating /playing. Each has pros and cons. Make sure you have the email, password, and any purchase receipts ready. Support may ask. This step saves time and prevents missteps because Valorant's matchmaking and licensing tie to account and IP. Now you execute the chosen path. If you submit a Riot support transfer, open a ticket, attach receipts, and clearly request the specific destination region, wait for their confirmation and follow instructions. If you create a new account, connect to a stable VPN endpoint in your chosen region, then register and verify email. Link any allowed purchases or accept that certain content may not migrate. Make sure to record credentials and set up 2FA so you don't lose. Finally, launch Valorant and confirm you're playing on the intended server by checking match ping and region indicators. If you used a new account, sign in and optionally update payment settings to match the region for future purchases. If you see high latency or connection errors, first disable the VPN and test a nearby endpoint. If problems persist, gather client logs and open Riot support with timestamps. That single troubleshooting tip, toggle VPN and capture logs, solves most post-change issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.